Have you ever wondered where the concept of singer-songwriters originated from? It all began with the troubadours, composers, and performers of Old Occitan lyric poetry during the High Middle Ages. The tradition of troubadours started in Occitania in the late 11th century, and it wasn't long before it spread to other regions in Europe. These troubadours were more than just entertainers. Their influence extended to various movements such as Minnesang in Germany, Troubadourismo in Galicia and Portugal, and the Troubadours in northern France. Their lyrics, described by Dante Alighieri as a blend of rhetoric, music, and poetical fiction, were nothing short of revolutionary. What did these troubadours sing about? They primarily focused on themes of chivalry and courtly love, creating a rich tapestry of stories and emotions with their words and melodies. They had a variety of styles and genres at their disposal, including Troubar Lou, Troubar Ric, and Troubar Cluse, each offering a unique approach to their storytelling and musical composition. However, as with all things, the art of the troubadours began to decline in the 14th century, and it eventually died out around the time of the Black Death. But their influence, that was far from over. The word troubadour itself, tracing back to the Occitan troubadour and the Latin root tropus, continues to be used today to describe a traveling poet or musician. And while the theories regarding the origins of troubadours are many, including Arabic, Bernardine Marianist, Celtic or chivalric matriarchal, and classical Latin influences, one thing is clear: their impact on the world of music and poetry was profound. The influence of troubadours on music and poetry is undeniable, and their legacy continues to inspire artists today. On those Easter Français, fast forward to the 21st century, and we see the spirit of troubadours alive and well. The essence of these medieval poet-musicians is mirrored in the artists of today, who not only write, but also perform their own music, pouring their soul into every note and lyric. This modern-day troubadour tradition is not confined to any genre, but rather it spans across the vast spectrum of music. When we talk about troubadours in the current era, we cannot ignore the impact of COVID-19 on live performances. The pandemic forced the world to pause, but it couldn't silence the music. Artists were quick to adapt, finding innovative ways to reach their audiences and continue sharing their craft. Take, for example, True Jackson, a young and passionate artist who recorded her first indie pop album in the solitude of a backyard garage. Amidst the pandemic, when traditional venues for live performances were inaccessible, she didn't let that stop her from sharing her music. She turned her backyard into a concert stage, not just for herself, but for other independent artists too. This initiative evolved into art festivals, providing a platform for various bands and artists to perform. True's story is a testament to the resilience of the modern troubadours. They don't just create music, they create experiences and communities. They are the torchbearers of the troubadour spirit, reminding us of the importance of supporting independent artists. It's through these artists that we witness the raw, unfiltered essence of music, untouched by commercial motives. In the face of adversity, music finds a way to thrive, much like the spirit of the troubadours. It's in the garage-turned-recording studios, the backyard concerts, and the heart of every artist who dares to bare their soul in their music. These are our modern troubadours, and they're just as important today as their medieval predecessors were centuries ago. In recognition of their contributions to the music industry, modern troubadours continue to be honored. The BMI Troubadour Award is one such prestige that shines a spotlight on the talented troubadours of our time. This award, named after the ancient tradition of the Troubadours, is a testament to the enduring influence of these musical pioneers on contemporary music. One of the recent recipients of this distinguished award is none other than Billy F. Gibbons, the founding member of the renowned band ZZ Top. A troubadour in his own right, Gibbons has made significant contributions to the music industry with his unique songwriting abilities. His talent and creativity have not only brought him enduring success, but also enriched the musical landscape with his distinct style and sound. The event that marked Gibbons' honor was nothing short of a musical feast, featuring performances of his songs by a diverse range of artists. Keith Urban, Chris Isaak, Elle King, and Robert Earl Keane all took the stage to pay tribute to the legendary artist. Each performance was a testament to Gibbons' far-reaching influence, his songs resonating with artists of various genres and generations. The award also marked the 50th anniversary of ZZ Top's album Eliminator, a milestone that speaks volumes about Gibbons' enduring relevance in the ever-changing music industry. His induction into the prestigious list of past winners solidifies his position as a modern troubadour who continues to shape music with his art. Honoring these artists not only recognizes their talent, but also keeps the spirit of the troubadours alive. As we celebrate their contributions, we also remember the rich history of troubadours and their lasting influence on the music we love today. In the words of the troubadours of old, trobar clus, or find the hidden, and in the artistry of modern troubadours like Billy F. Gibbons, we continue to uncover the hidden gems of music. Nostir. So, what does the legacy of troubadours mean for us today? The influence of troubadours on modern music is profound and far-reaching. The echoes of their artistry can be heard in the lyrical storytelling of many contemporary songs. Their emphasis on narrative and emotion, their exploration of themes of love and chivalry. These elements continue to resonate with audiences centuries later. Today's music scene is rich with artists who embody the spirit of the troubadours. They're the independent musicians, the ones who write, compose, and perform their own work, often outside the mainstream industry. These artists are the modern-day troubadours, using their music as a platform to express personal experiences, societal issues, and human emotions, just as troubadours did in the Middle Ages. Take, for instance, young artists like True Jackson, who, undeterred by the challenges posed by the pandemic, found innovative ways to share her music. She used her backyard as a stage, hosting concerts and art festivals, supporting fellow independent artists, and fostering a sense of community through music. Her story is a testament to the enduring spirit of the troubadours. A passion for the craft, a commitment to authenticity, and a determination to connect with others through music. Similarly, established musicians like Billy F. Gibbons, founding member of ZZ Top, continue to exemplify the essence of the troubadour tradition. His songwriting contributions, marked by creativity and enduring success, earned him the honor of the BMI Troubadour Award, a recognition that celebrates the timeless art of storytelling through music. The impact of the troubadours isn't confined to the realm of music alone. Their legacy has also influenced the way artists approach their craft. The troubadours' emphasis on originality and personal expression continues to inspire artists across different genres to create work that is uniquely their own. In essence, the spirit of the troubadour lives on. Today's artists, much like the troubadours of yore, continue to use their music as a means of communication, as a tool for storytelling, as an avenue for expression. They are keeping the tradition alive, ensuring that the legacy of the troubadours continues to influence and shape the musical landscape. Just as troubadours left their mark on history, today's artists continue to shape the future of music.